Hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here, and I'm so happy, excited and grateful to be here today. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite bag that I have been waiting for so long time, and this is my dream bag. Last week I went to a Dior store and I treated myself, and here is a box. Sorry, I took the ribbon out. I was so excited. And here is a box. Look at this box, it's so beautiful. I know it's so white here, but it's just so beautiful and very good quality. I love everything about Dior. Their service is just so good. Excellent service. Their people are so friendly there, and they just make you feel very comfortable. Now, lots of tissues. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here's the bag. It comes like this. It's inside this dust bag. And let's see. Whew. Oh my goodness, look at my little baby. I chose Lady Dior. I have been thinking to buy this bag for so long time, and finally I decided to purchase, and I'm so happy for my decision. So I was thinking to buy in a dark color because I always wear like dark clothes, like dark sweaters or dark jeans, and I was so afraid to color transfer. But you know what, I think I decided myself, like, okay, get out of the box and try some different color that you wanted. And I always wanted this bag in either the light pink or beige. So I chose the beige one, and this is in medium size. They have 3 sizes, like mini, medium and large. I chose the medium one. Mini was really cute, but it was really small, and large was a little bigger because I'm not very tall person. So I think this is a perfect size for me. Let's see how it looks inside. This is like a handle here, and this is in beige with the gold hardware, and you can see it says here CD, and here is a charm. This Dior charm is also gold plated, and how pretty is this? Oh my goodness, I love it. And this one is lambskin, so it doesn't have any zipper. It has just a little flap here. You just have to open it like this. I don't know how easy it's gonna be, but it has just it has a flap, and here is a belt. This is quite striped. This is quite long and thick stripe, and then the cool part is that you can choose your own pins. Look at this. So I chose 3 different pins with one is yellow with Dior's logo, other one is ice clove with Dior, it says Dior here, and then the other one is the red bag. It's just so beautiful. Look at this, how pretty is this? It's really thick and nice. I think it's a nice size for me. We'll see. And you can just put this one right here, and this goes to the other side right there, and here it goes like this. See, you can either carry like this, or you can crossbody. I like the options of crossbody because I cannot carry my bag like this all the time. I have to put around me. I like the mini one. Mini one comes with the chain. I like the chain more than this belt, but you know, I can change it anytime. So let's see inside. Inside is quite big right here. You have a lot of space here. I think I can easily fit my wallet, my makeup, my camera, and my phone. It has lots of room inside here, and also inside back here there is a deep pocket here. Oh, there's a card. It comes like this. Like this. There is a card, and This one says that Christian Dior, and this one is the authentication card if you ever want to sell or whatever. But I'm not planning on selling on anything. I'm not good at that. So this is my First Lady Dior, and I love the story behind this bag. Is that how much Princess Diana loved this bag, and all that, like a beautiful story behind this bag. And I always wanted this bag, but I was not sure like I'm gonna be like, you know, really good to care this color or no. But I said, you know, this is the time and I have to try something different than one of the black bags. I do have lots of black colors bag, so this is my first base bag, and I am so happy and excited and really ready to wear this with my outfit. So here is my Lady Dior. If you want me to do the review and what fits inside my bag, then let me know under the comment below, and I will do the video, separate video for that. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel and giving your time to watch my video. I am so happy and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.